Hi, welcome back to another reading from Tae Kim's Guide to Japanese, which you can find at guidetojapanese.org. Continuing with particles used with verbs. We're going to be using de with nani. The word for what, nani, is quite annoying because it's usually read as nani, although sometimes it is read as none, depending on how it's used. So it's usually read as nani, but sometimes it's read as none, and that depends on how it's used. And since it's always written in kanji, you can't tell which it is. So I would suggest sticking with nani until someone corrects you for when it should be none. With the particle de, it is read as nani as well. So let's look at some examples. Nani de kita? Nani de kita? Came by the way of what? So here's the what, came, and by the way of. And an answer to this could be basu de kita. So, nani de kita? Basu de kita. How did you come? Came by the way of bus. So here's the confusing part. There is a colloquial version for the word why that is used much more often than the less colloquial version, doshite, or the more forceful, naze. So here's the doshite, and here's the naze. And it is also written as this guy, but it is read as nande. Nande. This is a completely separate word and has nothing to do with the de particle. So let's look at this example up here. We can read it, instead of nani de kita, we can read it as nande kita, which is why did you come? Nande kita. And an answer for this might be hima. Hima dakara. Hima dakara. So, nande kita? Why did you come? Hima dakara. Because I'm free, as in I have nothing to do. So the kara here means because. Sorry, let me say that again. The kara here, meaning because, is different from the kara we just learnt above, and will be covered later in the compound sentence section. Basically, the point is that the two sentences, while written in the same way, are really different and have completely different meanings. Don't worry. This causes less confusion than you think because 95% of the time, the latter is used rather than the former. And even when nande is intended, the context will leave no mistake on which one is being used. In this short example snippet, you can tell which is by looking at the answer to the question. Okay, I think we'll leave that there for now. Thanks for watching and see you guys next time. Bye.